my name is Kaylee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the front seat in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma. Slide the seat back. Using a T50 Torx, remove the two front bolts. Now slide the seat all the way forward. Again, using a T50 Torx, remove the two rear bolts. Lean the seat back, make sure you don't put pressure on the wiring. Stop. Before making any electrical modifications in your Tacoma, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Next, disconnect the harnesses under the seat as shown here. We have included close-ups of the tabs you will press to release the plugs. The main harness release requires pressure from the top. Here is a close-up of the release tab. Carefully remove the seat from your Taco. Take care not to scratch any panels with the steel brackets. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.